Hey my crafty friends, y'all, I'm so excited to do my first little plan with me in my Micronotes Happy Planner. I did a little flip through of... Hello my crafty friends, I'm so excited to share with you all my first attempt at doing a plan with me in my little Micronotes planner, Happy Planner, I guess, yeah, Micronotes planner. And I did a flip through of this in a separate video. Yeah, I apologize that I'm breaking everything up in so many little videos, but I am back using my big camera. I was using my smaller camera last month, and the quality is not as good. But with my DSLR, I don't know, it just cuts off randomly. So I am trying to film shorter videos, I guess, to see if that helps the situation any. So I apologize for breaking all this down because I really could have put the flip through in the plan with me, but let's see how this goes. And I will be using my sticker book. This is the new release in my shop. I'll be using this, and I know this is my first attempt at this little planner, so let's see how it goes. Alright, so let's get started. I am not sure if this is going to be like a full, like I'm not sure if this is going to be a talk through or if I will forward it, because I just don't know. I normally forward it, but you know, it takes me a little longer to do a full layout, so let's see. And where are my tweezers? super quick and super fun. I think this is the quickest that I have ever done a layout, even a daily layout. I know it takes me, I don't know, a little longer, but this came out super cute. Oh, it's so cute. So, and I'm gonna, I don't know, each day I'll just put my few little tasks. I will try this for the rest of September and see how it works, and I will let you know. But I am liking it so far. So I will see you guys in my next Playing With Me. Oh, and if you are also trying this micro size, let me know, or tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram in the comments. Tag me so I can get some ideas, because I don't know, this size is totally new to me, but it is fun. So as always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and I will see you guys next time.